Are your conversations like a game of tennis? Just as tennis is a game of back and forth, so is the art of conversation. In conversation, like in tennis, if one person is always serving aces, the other person doesn't get a chance to participate. It's impressive, sure, but it doesn't engage any of the other players. Just like that unreturnable ace, dominating a conversation doesn't allow the other person to connect or share their perspective. It becomes a monologue, not a dialogue. The beauty of tennis lies in the rally. It's a shared experience where both players participate actively. In conversation, the serve and return approach mirrors a tennis rally. One person shares or asks a question. The other person responds. It's a continuous cycle that fosters connection, understanding, and respect.
I'm going to share listening skills with you to help you know what to say and what to do when people tell you their problems. You can learn these skills and use them anywhere, whether it be at work, at home, or when you find yourself having a chat anywhere in your community. Therapists learn these skills early in their training, and they use them every day when listening to clients. Actually, they're pretty simple. Whilst they're simple, they go against a lot of our natural urges to jump into a conversation or to talk about yourself or to offer advice. The first skill is to reflect back what they've said to you. To just listen without comment to what the other person is saying, and then to reflect it back to them, or to rephrase it and say it back. For example, I might say, "So this happened to you, and this as a result, and that was the reaction. Does that sound right?" It forces you to turn down that part of your brain that wants to interrupt or offer advice. It gives you a chance to check that you're actually hearing things correctly, and it helps you clarify what the other person is saying. You can reflect back and be completely wrong. I can reflect things back as I've heard them, and I've totally missed the most important details, or what I thought was important is not actually important to the other person, or it's this other bit that I just completely did not hear. Reflecting back is the most important skill.
Just as every rally in tennis is unique, so is every conversation. The key is balance, engagement, and mutual participation. Remember, the most memorable tennis matches aren't remembered for a series of unreturnable serves, but for the thrilling rallies. Similarly, the most meaningful conversations are those where both parties actively listen, share, and connect. So the next time you engage in a conversation, think of it as a tennis match. Serve, return, rally, and enjoy the beautiful game of connection.
Our purpose is simple, yet profound, to love and serve our community, meeting people right where they are, whether they're homeless, struggling with addiction, or just feeling forgotten. Our aim is to show compassion, respect, and dignity to every person we meet, no matter their background, race, or belief. We keep it practical and simple: a smile, a handshake, maybe a hot or cold drink. Asking questions and really listening. Meeting physical, social, and emotional needs where possible. One of the greatest needs of people living in the streets is to be seen as a person. They often tell us that they feel invisible, and that having someone speak with them can be the highlight of their day. Remember, don't judge. Don't try to fix people. You're not a counsellor. You are one human being speaking with another human being. Don't push your beliefs or give advice. Just initiate a simple conversation and then really listen. Your safety comes first. Listen to your gut and respond accordingly. Respect confidentiality. What's shared on the streets stays on the streets. You'll meet people facing some of life's hardest struggles. But remember, even in the darkest places, we can offer conversation and relationship. We may be the only person who truly listens to them. Every great change begins with a simple conversation. A smile, a hello, a few minutes of your time. That's where dignity is restored and hope begins to grow. You don't need all the answers to make a difference. Just show up, listen, and let people know they matter. Let's keep talking, because listening can change a life.